Hello. In case you didn't have a chance to talk to me directly, I record this screencast to help guide you through the use of SherlockDocs. First, I want to welcome you. My name is Paul Boschman. I want to thank you for being part of a select group of private investigators involved in beta testing of SherlockDocs and joining us in a journey to make report writing more friendly and more powerful. And as part of the group of founding members, I need you to watch this video all the way through, and I'm going to share with you details about how to use the software as well as the responsibilities of using the software in a beta version. I sent you a link, and you'll know first of all that when you get the link, it's a HTTPS link, which means it's a encrypted link so that the site is very secure. And one of the first things I want you to know is that the app is version 1. It's only about 80% complete. The purpose of getting you involved at this point is to allow you to dictate how the final product will look and how it works. So ultimately you can get the most out of it. So as we go through this over the next few weeks, you may see some buttons changes or some things change in the app based on what the users tell us. With that in mind, let's take a closer look at how it works. First, you'll get to this page where you're going to register. Click on the register button and fill out your information and choose the password. And that information will be there, and you can edit it from another button. I'm going to use an account that I've already set up here and log into the app. Normally, when you log in the first time, there won't be any cases present, and so you'll have to create a new case. However, one of the first things I recommend is you create a letterhead by clicking on the Edit Letterhead button. Now, one of the things about using web-based apps is you can create PDFs with live links. For example, if you want to make your header a link to your website so that a few years from now when your clients wonder which private investigative firm they use, they can just click on their document if you'd like to include that. You can set up your header any way you want, put in information about your firm, you can upload a logo, and you can use these drop-down menus to center, left, right, or whatever the information. Then just click Save here, and the information will be saved for your report. Then you just return to your cases. So what you're going to do is create a case, and how we do this app basically is we think of it as a building block approach. So you're going to add information to the case as you see fit, and you enter the information. There's drop-down menus to how you align that, and then what you're going to see is one of the blocks. This is a text block, and it works just like any word processor, and you can type way beyond the boundaries of this block, so don't be fooled by the size of the block here. There's all kinds of tools at the bottom here to create paragraphs, formats, whatever, font size. There's a spell checker here, and bullet points and whatever. And you just type in your summary. And you click Save. And now you have your new case created. You click on the case, and then you have information you can enter about this to begin with. There's all kinds of page information you might want to include. It's not required, but I recommend the more you include, the easier it will be to find the case later on. There's drop-down menus for dates that you can just click on here and enter the date, and you just click Save. You can also create a footer for each document, and basically that's just like the header, except you can put it on every page, and you can also make this a link by clicking on the checkbox, and you would do that and then click the Save button as well. So when you're writing a report, as I mentioned, it's the building block approach, and you can insert blocks anywhere, anytime. You just use the drop-down menu, click, for example, text block, insert, and then you can just begin typing whatever information you want, okay, about the case. More, and create paragraphs and whatever. And when you're done, you can spell check it, you can save it, and if you want to delete that block or edit it, you can go back and do that, as you can the title and summary. We added a couple of powerful tools to help you create better reports. One is a picture block. Now, normally, like most word processors, you can just use the browse button and get something from your computer. Or you can use the screen capture button. And what this does is allows you to capture any image from your screen. What will happen is a big red box will open on your screen, and you can resize that to any size you want by simply going to the edge and dragging it. Let's say you want to capture a GPS report here. You go to your GPS reporting site, and you take the borders of this document and size it to whatever size you want, and then you click capture. You'll get a box to put a caption for that picture, and the caption will be permanently attached. Once it's uploaded, you can go back to your site, and voila, there it is. If you want to edit this image, all you do is click on the image itself, and you can actually pull out a part of that. And click Save, and there is your image. Now, another powerful tool is a video block, and you can insert that any way you want. And you can create, either upload a small video using the Browse button again, or let's say you have a video file. Now, you hook up your camcorder, and you just go to, for example, Apple's QuickTime or Windows Media Player, and whatever plays, you click Record Screencast button here, and basically you'll get I see a button that says Start Recording, and then you hit that, and when the timer starts, you'll also be able to record the video in whatever section it plays in. Or you can do something really unique. For example, let's say you want to make a presentation about an accident here, and so you might want to go and create a PowerPoint slide, because this utility will actually allow you to record any sound as well as the picture. So you click the Start Recording button, and once you see the timer going, you just speak into your computer microphone, describe the situation, and whatever happens here, you just talk about a pedestrian or a car or whatever. And once you're done recording, you enter a caption about it, and it'll upload the video. We can close. Depending on the size of the video, it will depend on how long it takes to upload. And you can center this or put it wherever you'd like in your document, and choose the thumbnail that you want to be screened, and click the Save button. And then you've got text, you've got pictures, you've got video. You can add or insert text in between. You can use the delete or download to do anything. So if you want to add another text block in between the picture and the video, just click text block and insert. So once you're done with the case, you can work from that screen. There's 4 icons over here: scrap, mail, PDF, or view. For example, I'll show some cases already created. If you just want to see it on your screen in a browser, this is what was recorded. If you want to see it in a PDF, you just click the PDF icon, and in a few seconds, your software, your browser, will open up the PDF document. Depending on what kind of browser you have, it acts in different ways. This is Firefox, but Internet Explorer or Chrome both work just as well. This takes sometimes a few seconds, but depends on what else is running. Right now I'm trying to use this screencast as well as the meeting webinar service, so my Wi-Fi is limited here. You see the PDF open up. Now you have to have Adobe Acrobat Reader 10, and here's your case with your heading, the video, pictures, whatever. Now these are playable videos with Adobe Acrobat 10. Generally, you click on them, you might get a warning. You have to say you trust this document, then click again, and you can see that you actually will get the video playing in your document. Now, you might be able to email a small document to your clients, but a large video document you can't. So what we did is we created a share button, which is this little envelope, and you put in your client's email address here, and you just type in their email address and their name and a message to them, hit send, and they will get an email with a link to the report, and they'll have to log in and create their own separate account with their own password that only they can access, and be able to view the report, download the report, save it in a PDF format with instructions on how to do that. And that, in a nutshell, is how it works. Now, what's going to happen is in the process, you're going to find that some buttons may not be where you want to be, or they're too small, or they don't make sense to you. You may stumble on a bug that we missed somehow. In any case, what we want you to do, since you're an early user, is to report to us anytime anything happens. And when you encounter any of these moments, send me an email describing the challenge, and if you have an idea, a proposed solution. Don't worry about technical stuff, just explain how you think it would work, and we'll take care of the details. And doing this, you'll come out at the other end with a product specifically designed for you. We look forward to working with you. You please give me a call anytime you have a question, and thanks for listening.